So here's just some cautionary use in using AI generated content. In this video, I was playing with the chat and compose that's part of the Edge browser. And I just asked it to write a blog post discussing why software for medical therapy is not likely to cause confusion with software for data analytics under trademark law. Also cite to some relevant US case law, including a recent decision by the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board. So it actually came back with a very nice response. However, something that I noticed is that it cites to a case in here, and I've actually noticed this in another prompt that I gave it yesterday. It did the same thing. It spit back exactly what I needed, but when I went to look for the case that it cited, no such case existed, and that's exactly what it did here. Again, it made up this in-ray biofeedback system LLC, and what the case stands for. So if you go to look that up, so here we are in the TTAB view, which is where you see Trademark Trial and Appeal Board cases. So if you look for the mark biofeedback, all these cases that come up are not the case that they're talking about, the in-ray biofeedback case. And if we go back and put that in the party, there still is no in-ray biofeedback. So although it gave me exactly what I was looking for, it made it up. So this is just something to be cautioned about if you are using ChatGPT. I haven't found that exact issue with ChatGPT, but with this composer or the chat on Bing, I've noticed that a few times. I know colleagues of mine that have used ChatGPT just for, patent searches, things like that. They've found similar things where the patent number it cites does not line up with what it said the patent covered. So, this one seems like it actually made up a completely fake trademark case to go with the principle that I was asking it for, whereas maybe the one that I know my colleague had an issue with could have just been a flaw in ChatGPT, because they did find when we did the search case patents that did have similar language, it just didn't match up with the patent number that ChatGPT gave it. So just some cautionary tales when you're looking up not just legal principles, but anything on any of these AI generated content generated software. So if you like these videos, please subscribe below. Feel free to reach out with any questions or make any suggestions. Thanks.